Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. In a stunning upset, French table tennis star Alexis Lebrun has defeated the world's top-ranked player, Fan Zhendong, in a thrilling match that will go down in history as one of the greatest upsets in the sport. Lebrun's victory was a true David and Goliath moment, as he faced off against an opponent who had been dominating the sport for years. But Lebrun refused to be intimidated, and his skill, determination, and sheer willpower saw him through to a stunning victory. From the moment Lebrun stepped onto the court, you could feel the electricity in the air. The crowd was on the edge of their seats, knowing that they were about to witness something truly special, and they weren't disappointed. Lebrun played with the heart of a lion, unleashing his powerful forehand and lightning-fast backhand with a ferocity that left Fan Zhendong reeling. He moved with grace and speed, darting across the court like a blur, always one step ahead of his opponent. With every point he scored, Lebrun's confidence grew. He could see the look of frustration and disbelief on Fan Zhendong's face, and he knew that victory was within his grasp. And then it happened. In a moment of pure magic, Lebrun unleashed a shot that left Fan Zhendong flat-footed and helpless. The crowd erupted in cheers as the ball hit the table, and Lebrun fell to his knees, overcome with emotion. This victory will go down in history as one of the greatest moments in French table tennis, and a testament to the power of the human spirit. Congratulations, Alexis Lebrun, on a victory that will be remembered for years to come.
真他妈！哇！咁
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.